Leo Frank's fate may be decided by Monday night. The Atlanta Constitution, Monday the 25th of August, 1913. Page 1. Solicitor Dorsey is expected to complete his address to jury during morning session of court. Many friends visit Frank in the tower. Judge has intimated that he will be ready to receive verdict at any time of day or night. By 11 o'clock this morning, and perhaps earlier, Solicitor Hugh Dorsey will have finished his address in the case of Leo M. Frank, charged with the murder of Mary Phagan, and Judge Roan will begin charging the jury. In a talk with a Constitution reporter last night, Mr. Dorsey intimated that the final summing up of his argument would not take 2 hours, and that it probably would not last much longer than 1. He intimated that by 11 o'clock the judge would be well underway in his charge. With 2 more hours added to the already record-breaking speech of the solicitor, it will establish a mark that many declare will not be excelled in years to come. Mr. Dorsey has already spoken over 6 hours. Because of exhaustion, resulting from his speech of over 4 hours Saturday afternoon, the solicitor spent a quiet Sunday getting ready for the end of his argument today. Rosser at Warm Springs. Luther Z. Rosser, senior attorney for the defense, spent Sunday and Sunday night in Warm Springs and Woodbury, which he visited with his wife. At Warm Springs during the day, he was besieged by a host of admirers. Leo Frank spent a typical Sunday in jail. Throughout the day, his cell was a mecca for callers. His wife and mother came late in the afternoon, remaining with him for considerable while. On these trips, he is permitted to see them in the jailer's dining room on the first floor. He read the papers bearing on the progress of his trial, and according to attachés of the prison, appeared unaffected by the terrific strain of the trial. Frank, his jailers say, has not suffered a single day of illness since his imprisonment. It is predicted that the jury will retire this afternoon between 3 and 4 o'clock. The regular noon recess will be observed. The judge will charge the jury on the law in the case, and then there will be no developments until a verdict is reached. When will verdict be? It is a matter of wide speculation over the time in which the jury will require to render a verdict. Many predict it will not be returned tonight, while others expect it as early as midnight, if not before. Following the charge, the 12 men retire to the jury room in the courthouse. A hat ballot is cast, each man indicating his decision of guilt, innocent, or doubt. Then a foreman is elected. A foreman selected, the jurymen begin their arguments. Each man is permitted to present his individual views of the case. If much time is required, the foreman from time to time will be called into the courtroom to announce to the court the progress of his body. Judge Roan has already announced that he will be in readiness to receive the verdict at any time it is reached. Quiet day for jurors. Sunday was a quiet day for the jurors. An extra detachment of bailiffs and deputies stood guard over their quarters in the Kimball house, and no outsider was permitted within hearing distance. At 8 o'clock, the 12 men were taken on their daily constitutional through side streets of the uptown district, returning shortly before 9 o'clock. Police reserves from both the headquarters and county departments will be detailed to the courthouse today.